If you want to send customer feedback form whenever a new payment received on Instamojo, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how to send customer feedback survey after payment via Instamojo. Now imagine whenever a new payment received on Instamojo, you want to send feedback form to your customer. Doing it manually and sending it manually would be a time consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Connect make a huge difference. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, whenever a new payment received on Instamojo, it is automatically going to send a feedback form to your customer. If you want to know how to make this automation for yourself, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. As I have mentioned earlier, today we are going to learn how to collect customer feedback survey automatically after a payment is made on Instamojo. For this automation, I have used Pabbly Connect. In this trigger, I have set Instamojo, which is going to collect the payment, and for the action, I have used Gmail, which is going to use to send out feedback survey email to my customer. Now let me show you its real-time working. For that, I'm going to place an order by clicking on Pay Now option, and here I'm going to fill every single details like name, email address and phone number. After that, I'm going to click on Add Address Info. After adding my shipping address, I'm going to click on Proceed to Pay. And here I'm going to choose my UPI method. After adding my UPI ID, I'm going to click on Continue to Pay. Now I'm waiting for the payment to confirm. As soon as my payment is confirmed, my order is placed over here. After that, we are going to open Pabbly Connect, and over here we can see I have received my response successfully with the same shipping address, phone number, name and email ID. Not only that, the same email address and details has been captured over here like this. You can see the buyer name, payment, purpose and the email address. And also over here I have received a mail where they have mentioned that, "Hi demo user, thank you for your recent purchase of 9 rupees to skincare via Instamojo. We appreciate your business. We are constantly working to improve our product and service, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Would you be willing to take a moment and share your experience?" And here they have mentioned a Google form link for the survey. Also with that, they have mentioned this survey should only take a few minutes to complete. Your response will help us to serve you and other benefit in the future. If you have any question or concern, please don't hesitate to reply to this email. Thanks again for your support. And over here I can fill the survey accordingly. So if you want to make this automation for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. Not only that, we have Pabbly Community where you can get exclusive access, real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here you can share your ideas, ask questions and discover latest features for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Now let's move to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect today. As soon as I have selected Pabbly Connect, we will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can create and manage all your automation workflow from one place by using Pabbly Connect dashboard page. Before creating a new workflow, you need to remember few points that are given over here. And to create a new workflow, you need to click on Create Workflow button and start building your new automation. To create an automation, you need to select the workflow builder. We have two options, New Beta Builder and Classic. New Beta Builder is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas Classic is stable with familiar approach. Today I'm going to use Classic to build my workflow, and here I'm going to provide a meaningful name. As we are making the start flow for customer feedback, as soon as we receive payment from Instamojo, I'm going to name it accordingly as Customer Feedback Survey after payment by Instamojo. Below that, I'm going to select the folder in which my workflow is going to be stored, and after that I'm going to click on create button, and from here I can create my automation by setting up trigger and action, where trigger is the initial setup that start the automation and action is the task that is performed after the trigger. To start this automation, I need to choose my trigger application, and here I'm going to search my app as Instamojo, and after that I'm going to select my trigger event as successful payment. As soon as I have chosen my trigger event, my webhook URL is created to set up and connect my trigger setup. Now here I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste it on my Instamojo. For that, I'm going to open my Instamojo page, and over here on dashboard you need to select smart page, which is given on the left side under the manage. From smart page you can create a page for your product. As you can see, I have already created multiple product page, and from here I'm going to select natural glow skincare face toner. Onto this product you can see 3 dots are present, and from here you need to edit your page to connect your webhook. To connect your webhook, you need to drop down page setting, and here you can see a webhook option is present. Under this webhook option, you need to paste your webhook that you have copied from trigger setup like this, and as soon as you have entered your webhook URL and filled your information like payment successful, I'm going to click on save and update the page. Here they want the permission which I'm going to provide, and my page is edited. Now I'm going to place my order as I have shown. For that, I need to share this page and copy the URL. I'm going to open this URL on a new tab, and here I'm going to process my payment. Under this, I'm going to provide the name. After that, I have entered my email address, and now I'm going to enter my phone number. After entering customer info, I'm going to enter the delivery info. For that, I need to put shipping address. Now, after entering every single detail, I'm going to click on proceed to pay, and here I'm going to choose the UPI method. As soon as I have entered my UPI ID, I will continue with the pay option, and here my payment is waiting for the confirmation. And here you can see my payment is successfully confirmed, and under this order summary you can see same email address and phone number is present for the status update. Now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect trigger setup, and here you can see I have received my response successfully with the same shipping address, phone number, buyer name and user address. After that, I want to send a survey form to my customer via email address. For that, I'm going to set up my action. For that, I'm going to choose my action app as Gmail, and after that I'm going to add action event. Here I'm going to add my action event as send email, as I want to send the email to my customer, and after that I'm going to connect and update my connection. To connect or update my connection, I have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have a connection, you can click on select existing connection. For today, I'm going to add a new connection and connect or update my connection with my Gmail. Under this, I'm going to provide all the access, and you can see my connection is successfully created. Now I need to map every single detail from the previous step. Mapping detail from the previous step help to update your connection as soon as a new detail or value is received. Here I'm going to map sender's name. Below that I'm going to map recipient email address. After that I'm going to leave CC and BCC and enter email subject manually. Here I will enter that we do love your feedback on recent purchase, and after that I'm going to enter the content like this, where I have mentioned that, hi customer name, thank you for your shopping with us on Instamojo. Your support means a lot and we are already working to make your experience even better. We do love to hear your feedbacks about the recent purchase. It will only take a minute and your suggestion will help us serve you better. Where we need to praise survey link, and as a token of appreciation, your feedback will be directly help us improve our product and service and bring you the best experience possible. Thanks again for choosing us. Warm regard, ABC Company. Under this, I'm going to map every single detail like customer name. I'm going to map the customer name from the previous step. My customer name was test user, and here I have mapped that detail, and here we have pasted the link of survey form that we have created by using Google form. Now after that I'm going to keep my content type as plain and label as inbox. Now after entering every single detail on my action setup, I'm going to click on save and send the test request. This will going to save the value you have filled above, and a proper response will be received back once the process is completed. And here you can see I have received the response successfully. Not only that, a customized mail is also received with the same subject that we have put, "We do love your feedback on the recent purchase," and with the customized name, "Hi Test User." So that's how easily we have set up this automation in which every time a customer make a payment through Instamojo, they will receive an automatic feedback survey while email using Pabbly Connect. This is not only going to save your time but also ensure that you never miss valuable feedback insight from your customer. If you like this video, you can tell us in the comment section below. And also that I have provided this workflow in the description box. You can even check that out. Not only that, you can create many more automation using Pabbly Connect. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free automation using Pabbly Connect. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.